Hello everyone, welcome to another video in my channel. In this video, I'm giving a radical expression or a sodic expression to simplify. I have square root 25 all over 5 minus root 24. What am I going to do to simplify this expression? Actually, I'm going to use two methods. In the first method, I am going to multiply the numerator and denominator by the conjugate of the denominator. While in the second one, I am going to equate this expression to some constants and then solve as if it is an equation. However, before I proceed, I would like you to do me a favor. Like this video if you find it interesting, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so, and share this video. Now, let us solve. In the first method, I was saying that I'm going to take the conjugate of the denominator and multiply numerator and denominator by the conjugate. If I have a plus root b, the conjugate is going to be a minus root b. So if I multiply them, a plus root b times a minus root b, I'm going to get a squared minus b. A sodic expression and its conjugate behave as if they are difference of two squares. Let's remember, a squared minus b squared can be expanded into a plus b, then a minus b. So what is the conjugate of this? It is simply 5 plus root 24. If I multiply it by 5 minus root 24, which is the original sodic expression in the denominator, I have 25 minus 24, which is 1. So let's multiply this, that's the numerator, and this, that is the denominator, by 5 plus root 24. It becomes root 25 times 5 plus root 24, close bracket, all over 5 minus root 24, then times 5 plus root 24. Good. So what we have here is the square root of 25 times 5 plus root 24 all over 1. Now at this point, I need to apply some properties of solids. If I have root a times b, it can be written as root a times root b. This property will be applied here. So when we have root 25 times 5 plus root 24, I can express it as root 25 times root 5 plus root 24. Now root 25 is 5. I'll write 5 here. And then we have root 5 plus root 24. Now let's work with this term in the square root. Now, if I have 5 plus root 24, I can rewrite it as 3 plus 2 plus root 24 is 6 times 4, or 3 plus 2 plus root 4 times root 6. Let's remember this property here. Now root 4 is 2, so I have 3 plus 2 plus 2 root 6, or rewrite it as 3 plus 2 root 6, which is 3 times 2 plus 2. Also, still applying this property here, we have 3 plus 2 root 3 times root 2 plus 2. Great. Now, let's remember this binomial expansion. That is a plus b all raised to power 2 equals to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Now, a is equal to root 3 and b is equal to root 2. So if I have root 3 plus root 2 all raised to power 2, as we have it here, it will expand into this. That is 3 plus 2 root 3 times root 2 plus 2. Good. So instead of writing this, I'll replace it with this. So I have 5 root 5 plus root 24 is equal to 5 times root 3 plus root 2 all raised to power 2. Good. Where this and this will cancel out, leaving us with 5 times root 3 plus root 2. So this expression is equal to the original expression, which is root 25 all over 5 minus root 24. Now for the second method, I'm equating the sodic expression to some constant. Let's remember this constant is derived by multiplying this by the conjugate of the denominator. So this here is plus since we have minus here. Now I'm going to square both sides to cancel these square roots. If I square both sides, I have 25 all over 5 minus root 24 is equal to a squared then times root b plus root c raised to power 2. Expanding this, I have a squared times b plus 2bc in square root, bc please, in square root, then plus c. What then are we going to do? Let's now rationalize the expression on the left hand side. So I have 25 all over 5 minus root 24 times 5 plus root 24 all over 5 plus root 24 is equal to all these. That is a squared b plus c plus 2 root bc. Good. Now this gives us 25 times 5 plus root 24 all over 1 is equal to this, a squared b plus c plus 2 root bc. Now at this point we are going to equate terms. Now this a squared is equal to 25, and so a squared equals to 5 squared and a is equal to 5. That's the first answer. Now let's equate this term with this term. So 5 plus root 24 is equal to b plus c plus 2 root bc. This square root, this is equal to 2 root bc. If I square both sides, I have 24 is equal to 4 times bc. And so bc equals to 24 divided by 4, which is 6. So bc is equal to 6. This is our equation 1. Now I'm going to equate this and this. That is b plus c is equal to 5, giving us equation 2. When we solve equation 1 and equation 2, we are going to get b is equal to root 3 and c is equal to root 2. Therefore, we have 5, bringing all our answers together, 5 times root 3 plus root 2 becomes the expression when simplified. Thanks for watching. See you in another video.